If you're looking for a new content creator to follow, look no further. Join me on this fun and exciting journey as I create entertaining videos just for you and have some fun myself in doing so. Don't miss out on the fun. Subscribe now. And let's have a great time together. The spring is coming, so the weather will get better, which in turn brings shenanigans. Join me as I brave the wet weather and hit the road on my Yamaha FZ6 on this ride. Coming up is the village of Rush in North Dublin. I am from Cork originally, but call here home now. Rush lies on the Irish Sea coast, between Skerries and Lusk. Rush was once known as the Market Garden of Ireland, for the large role market gardening played in its economy and culture. The right gear can make all the difference in ensuring a safe and enjoyable ride. I should have chosen better gloves, I must confess. Great to see other riders out. You will not believe me when I say this, though the music playing over this video is tame. What is playing in the helmet is completely at the other end of the spectrum. I am an 80s baby, so nu metal is my go-to riding genre. Let me know in the comments who I should add to my playlist. Up next on our journey is Lochshin. It is a small coastal village, northern County Dublin, between Skerries and Rush. It can be loosely translated to the Lake of the Fox. It would be best known in the Irish biker community as to where Lochshin motorcycle supporters organize the amazing Skerries 100 road race. thought it would be best to kill the engine as I see a horse and its rider up ahead looking a bit startled. Thankfully, no issues. They were happy out heading on to the beach. I pulled in until they were on the sand. Off we go again. You have managed to stay with me up until now, thank you. I am more accustomed to TikToks, they're a lot shorter than this. This is the home stretch for this ride, so by all means stay to the end. It's that sped up convenience. See you all very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified of new content. I saw them well ahead, so I slowed down accordingly.